you want to yummy and very tasty and very easy and quick delicious recipes, so please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and share with your family friend. This channel have 2 language videos. So thanks. Hi everyone, how are you? Welcome to my channel. My name is Yasmin and I'm going to show you guys today how to make this is best and easy way so yummy recipe. This is recipe name is mutton masala, and this is same recipe is my Urdu language is on my channel, is on the link comment on it. If you guys want to watching, go visit my channel. My channel name is Cooking Hearty Food Recipes with Yasmin. So if you are new on my channel, please kindly subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and share with your family friend and the other my subscriber families. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. So come in again, welcome. So this recipe making is requested is in English, so other one is in Urdu, same one. So this video you guys watching step by step. I show you guys everything step by step. So let's get started. This is I have mutton is have 2.5 pounds and medium slices. Cutting this one, and if you guys want to know here American where the which area I'm living, where is coming the good place is the meat. So comment link that down. I can tell you guys then where is the place is a good meat. You can get it from there. So this is the 2.5 pound, and I have cut the 1 slices onion large. This is like this slices, and I have 1 cup of oil. Oil is on your choice which brand you're using. I just make it warm and open the gas. So I just first adding is onion. We put a little bit brown, and after I show you guys step by step is everything for that. So little bit with this onion is brown color, then after I show you guys. Okay. So you guys looking that this is onion. We have to just make it like this, not too much dark brown, not is non-cooked. So we have to do like this. It's like 2 minutes is done. So now I'm adding inside is a 2 teaspoon of ginger paste and 2 teaspoon of garlic paste, and 1 is jalapeno. If you guys don't have this one is no, it's okay, so skip it. But this one is making good taste, and after I'm using is a half teaspoon of this is cumin seeds. This will make a good taste too. So I'm adding this one, and after 1 minute I'll be adding the meat inside. This is after 1 minute. So 1 minute done, and I told you guys you not put too much higher gas and put no low, no it's slow to medium gas. So now I'm adding this as a meat inside. And this recipe you can using this and same way to the chicken and the beef, and this is mutton. So this is on your choice. Okay, so now we have to cook like slow to medium, like 10 to 15 minutes on the slow gas, because it have blood and everything is like cook like slow to medium. We're not adding anything. I show you guys, that's why I tell you guys, I will show you guys step by step. This choice, you guys adding masala right now, spices and every tomato, everything. But which one you need it taste, it tastes not coming like that. And you want to cook for this 10 to 15 minutes. After we adding everything, this is my tip. You guys trust me. You guys make it same way, it's good taste. So after 10 to 15 minutes, I show you guys it's not too much high gas, not too much slow to medium. So after 10 to 15 minutes, I show you guys. Mutton masala, little bit mix this masala and put it inside. So this is my secret, so I'm sharing with you guys. I need 1 teaspoon of dry coriander seeds and the 1 teaspoon of dry methi. This is the ingredient I'm adding in the English. You can see this name on it. And 1 teaspoon of this is cumin seeds, and this is dry chili, like this. 2 dry chilies and a mixture, and put in the mixture and making the powder. And after done, I'll show you guys. I think masala is done. This is it's very good taste, this masala. I every time making the fresh. You can buy these the store too. This is 1 teaspoon of cumin seed powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of this is the my language say dry methi, and I think finger leaves. and 2 dry chilies. This is the mixed powder. This is a mutton masala recipe. This is the good masala making good taste. This one with other masala I'm putting inside and show you guys. So I show you guys spices. This one I show you guys already. The other recipes in the Urdu I am not show this one, but this one is I will show you guys. This is making this masala is my secret recipes. So this is secret masala. This is giving you guys yummy taste. Okay, so next one, this one I show you guys already. So next one is 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of salt to taste. Salt and is spices is on your taste. How much you want to, you can add it like little bit, you can add more. This is on your choice. And 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, and also I get a more half teaspoon of this is a finger lips. It's a is I don't know whether it's the same name. It's the English, but it's on the ingredients is the English name. So my language is meat. So now we adding inside there masalas. So you guys see this one meat like this, and have you guys do like this making this is a yummy good taste. You guys look. This is as a beef water coming out and dry like that. Now I'm adding spices, all the spices. It's time is about like 15 minutes is done. So now I'm adding this spices, and after 2 minutes I'm adding the tomato. I mixed up. I'll show you guys tomato. This one is I have tomato. I have frozen 4 medium frozen tomatoes. I have defrozen in the microwave and I peel off the skin and then do it. You guys have fresh skin. Using fresh is good too. So I don't have fresh right now available, so I'm using this one. This is a 4 medium sized tomato. I cut this slices. This is because I have mutton as 2.5 pounds, so I need more. It's not. If you have to sell, not too much. You can using like 2, 1 is on your choice. So after 1 minute, I'll show you guys. I mix it up first. So 1 minute is done, and I told you guys before when I'm putting the beef, mutton this inside, and also masala everything I now cover up. Okay, this is your guys remember I'm not cover up. Now I'm adding this tomato, which one I'll tell you guys. If you guys have fresh tomato, you can add with the tomato is half cup of water. Because I have frozen, so it's frozen tomato. I have already water, so I'm not putting inside the tomato water. So because tomato have already inside water because it's frozen. If you guys have fresh, you can be adding is a half cup of water. So now I mixed up and more slow gas and cover up like 10 to 20 minutes. Every 5 minutes I take it out in the top and I mix it up with the spoon. Then after that cover up every 5 minutes. It's not mean if you got cover up from 20 minutes you have to take it out to cover up 20 minutes. No, every 5 minutes. So I show you guys after is 20 minutes, and I show you guys gas is not too high, not too slow. Okay guys, so after 20 minutes I show you guys how it look like in what this situation. After 20 minutes is the cover now it look like this. See that very nice aroma. So now I'm adding this is I have the lemon juice. This one if you can have like fresh lemons. So your other recipes you do, this is I'm using the fresh one. I don't have fresh one right now. It just doesn't matter if you have fresh one, you can add half lemon. If you don't have fresh one, you using the 2 spoons of this. So 2 spoons of lemon juice. Ready? So now I'm not the cover up, I'm trying to rise like 10 minutes like that because I want very good taste with masala too, and with the mutton is have to like this 15 minutes like 10 to 15 minutes like this is slow to medium gas. So it's like a good taste and good aroma and no smell is inside the beef. So now like is I think is almost 70% cooked now. So other one is 75% cooked, other 15 to 20% is cooked with we will just cover up like this in a tenderize like 10 minutes, and I'm not cover up. So after 10 minutes I show you guys, and now I'm not using any water. If you guys see check over here is salt and spices. If you need more you can add more salts inside, and when it's using spices you can be using 1 jalapeno more and maybe black pepper, so you can use the black pepper. I mean need more spices. Spices is on your choice. You need using like too much and little bit. This is on your choice. But making like this, how I'm making this is a good way to making an easy way. It's a good yummy taste. Trust me, guys. If you need this one is to eat with the rice and eat with the bread. And have you need a recipe in white rice and boiled rice is the link comment on it is in English and Urdu. I have two recipes perfect how to making boiled white rice. So you eat with that with the salad and rice and this mutton. So after 10 minutes I'll show you guys. I'm not covered up right now. It's because it's 75% already cooked now. We have like 10-15 minutes that we have to more cooking. So after 10 minutes I'll show you guys like this. So this is 100% cooked now, almost done. Is like 15 minutes. I just making like this, no cover up, slow to medium. Look this, how yummy it is. It's perfect. Is cooked now. So I'm using the big mint inside. No, sorry, is a coriander leaf and some of green chili. This is on your choice when you are using it now. So I'm adding this to half. We are adding the pomelo on the top. So I mix up and just 2 to 3 minutes we are cover up just for dum. I can't name it. So after we're done, then I'll show you guys how much is cooked right now because I need the meat. Our house is cooked like 100%. Look at it. Look, if you use it with the hand, it's cooked like this. So after 2 minutes and 2 to 3 minutes, I'll show you guys. Just cover up. It's so much slow gas. After it's 5 minutes, I'm done with this. Look how it's delicious look like. So it's done now, cook. So I dish out, and I'll show you guys. Dish out. Then I'll show you guys. Dish out right now. So we sprinkle on it some coriander leaf, some green chili, and again I tell you guys, please, it's spices on your taste. You guys add more and you guys add a little bit pudding. This is on your taste, how much you like it. So this is the final look. I hope you guys like this video. If you like it, please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, share with your family friend. This is very easy way and inside tips to masala. So keep watching for next video. If you need any recipe, if you seen I will do and you cannot understand, you need it in English, so comment below. I make the same recipe in English for you guys. Thank you. Keep watching next video. Bye bye.